All right, are you gonna go? Here you go. Here you go.
After
There you go.
I tried to go.
Get on your bike and go. Show me that you can ride.
Okay.
Okay.
This is not so bad.
That's not so bad.
It's better.
Oh, you're doing great. Why don't you come this way? Is this fun?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna go this way.
What is that?
What are you doing?
I'm not seeing it now.
Are you riding your bike?
Yeah.
You're doing a great job. Keep going. Keep going. High five. All right. Watch where you're going. Turn right. There you go. Keep going. Go. You got to pedal.